If you're broke and if you don't have any money to start an online business, then this video is for you, because today I'm going to be showing you this affiliate marketing recipe that will make you $500 daily. Even you don't need any money to start this, what I'm going to show you today. I want you to just take notes and don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss any step of this video tutorial, because I'm going to be showing you in detail, step by step, how we're going to be combining this together without spending any money and make it work for you to earn money online. But before we move on to that, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell button, so next time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. And also give this video a thumbs up. That will encourage me to make more videos like this to help you out make money online. So you want to do that now, and I really appreciate. So with that being said, let's move on into today's tutorial. So the first platform you want to go to is this affiliate platform called Digistore24. So we want to go to Digistore24. This is already Digistore24. This is the affiliate marketplace that we can get other people's products to promote for free. So what we want to do is that we want to go to register. If you don't have Digistore24 before, so you want to go register and fill out this form here and verify your email address, and we're ready to use Digistore24. So that is the step number one, is to sign up to Digistore24. And after that, want to go to the next step, which is step number two. We want to find a niche. Okay, so for this video tutorial, I'm going to choose a pet niche. As you can see here, we have animals and pets. So when we click on it, we are going to see these different products here that we can start to promote. And now this is step number three. We need to pick an offer. So we want to pick this first product here, which is the Logan course. Is a self-study course. So this is a course for us. Go here and click promote. So by clicking promote, we're going to get the affiliate link. So after getting your affiliate links, we want to go to the next step, which is step number 4. We want to go to TikTok. We want to create a pet niche TikTok page. Okay, it depends on what type of product we want to promote, but for this video tutorial, I'm promoting a pet niche. So we want to create a pet niche page on TikTok. So for example, the product we want to promote is for horses, so we can just go here and search for horse. So we have different type of horse page here, so we can just go and check one out. Okay, so after doing that, I want to go to the next step, which is step number 5. And step number 5 is that we're going to go to this website called Pexel.com. So this is already Pexel.com. Pexel.com is a place that we can get free footage to download and also free stock photos. So depending on niche that you're promoting, once again, so this niche is a pet niche, so we can go here and look for different pets that we can download their videos, or we can just go here and write us, because we're going to promote something for us. So we can see there are different type of stock footage that we can download for us. So what we want to do now is that I want to pick one like this and want to click on free download to download this to a computer. And after that, we go back to TikTok, to our page that we've created on TikTok. So this is the step number 6. We want to now upload this footage to TikTok, and I will advise you to do this at least twice a day as for the beginning. In this way, your post can go easily viral. As we can see here now, to similar web, TikTok is being visited by 1.54 billion users. It means that you have this chance that over 1 billion people will see your post and will click the link in your bio. And then this is what I'm going to show you how to do that. So after uploading our footage to TikTok, first of all, when we're setting up our page, this is step number 7. I want to add our link. We want to add our affiliate link to the bio. Alright, this is step number 7. After doing that, we want to go to the bio. We want to go to our bio and add the affiliate link into our bio, so it's going to look like this. So when somebody click on this link, on our affiliate link, they will be sent to this product sales page, and when they buy this product, we're going to get 40% commission of this product. So this is a free method to earn money online. This is a free affiliate marketing recipe that you can use to earn money online again and again. So I hope you got value in this video, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up and also comment below which country you come from so I can create videos like this that will work very good in your country. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. So if you think today's method is too difficult for you and you want a easy done for you method, so I will highly recommend to you to check out the link in this video description below and click on that. You will land on this monster mode 700k auto commission system. This is the auto commission system that will enable you to make $500 a day on autopilot. You don't need to do any work. Once again, it's already done for you software. All you just need to do is to set it up one time and start earning money on autopilot. This is a 100% done for you software. We'll walk you through how to set this up yourself and start earning money on daily basis. This is one of the insane software I've seen, and people are making good amount of money using this software. As you can see, over $74,000 a year and over $11,000 a year, and so on, even up to $95,000 per month. This is what you can make using this platform. So all you just need to do is to set this up in 3 steps. Everything will be shown to you how to set it up yourself, and you can start making money on autopilot. So make sure you check the link in the description. I'm going to leave the links in this video description. Make sure you go click on it, and after that I will see you on the other side. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.